Hey guys, this is Jadirah Sarmad. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is really exciting for me because it involves food. I'm taking you guys to Masterclass Pakistan with me. But wait, what's that? Well,
my name is Osama Ahmed and I'm the co-founder of Masterclass Pakistan. Masterclass, basically the concept is to provide a state-of-the-art facility to the people who doesn't have a time for 3 months or 4 months or 6-month program or a degree program. But they are cooking enthusiasts, they want to cook something extraordinary and they need some good environment where they can learn, where they can cook. हम एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड करते हैं जो ना कि आपको एक अच्छा एम्बियंस प्रोवाइड करता है जहाँ आपको खाना पकाने में और सीखने में मज़ा आए, बल्कि एक नया इंट्रोडक्शन हमने दिया है इस इंडस्ट्री के अंदर, वो है हैंड्स ऑन एक्सपीरियंस. बिफोर दैट इन पाकिस्तान देयर वाज नो इंस्टीट्यूट, नो प्लेस वेयर यू कैन कुक अलॉन्ग विद द शेफ. But right now we provide you individual counters here, which you see here, and in each counter we will provide separate ovens, fridge, plates, hot plates and the complete mini kitchen studio. होता ये है कि जब आप शेफ़ आपके साथ काम कर रहे होते हैं तो आप शेफ़ के साथ जो है ख़ुद बना रहे होते हैं, जो आप गलतियाँ कर रहे होते हैं शेफ़ आपको सिखा रहा होता है कि इस तरह करना है, इस तरह नहीं करना. तो इट्स गिव यू ऑल टुगेदर अ वेरी डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस as compared to you go to any place where you sit, where you take a theory classes and hands-off experience basically, and then you try to be at home and you didn't do it exactly what at that time the teacher was telling you. So this is Masterclass is all about, to give you a practical hands-on experience along with the celebrity chef and master chefs which are right now in the industry.
so I basically got the chance to attend a pasta class at the Masterclass Kitchen Studio, and I must say that it was an enriching experience for me. We all love pasta. I've been making pasta for years and years myself, and yet there was so much more for me to learn, which I did not even know prior to this class. Masterclass Pakistan offers different culinary courses and they're all priced at different rates. So I would suggest that you check out their Facebook page, and I will link it down below so you get to know all such details. But yeah, you can just register for like a couple of classes depending on what you're interested in. They have morning classes, they have evening classes, whichever suits you, register for that. And they can be like 3 to 5 hours long, in which you get to learn 2 to 3 recipes, which in my own experience I found was really helpful. And my teachers for the day were Chef Hadi and Chef Naveed. Both of them were really professional and helpful. They kept guiding us all along. A lot of other junior chefs were around to give people individual attention in case somebody struggled, and even without it they were like going counter to counter and just making sure that everybody had everything, everybody knew what they were doing, and nobody was making any mistakes or something like that. So I thought that was really nice. So we made 3 types of pasta, which were Alfredo, spaghetti bolognese, and lasagna. This really was my favorite part because honestly, I thought we will be, using store-bought stuff. And we even made our own sauce, and I even learned how to thicken my white sauce using roux, which is what Chef Naveed is making in this particular clip. But yeah, like I said, I honestly thought that, pasta in particular would be something that we'll be using packaged one. But no, and it was also exciting for me to see all of these things happening like right before my eye and then doing them myself. I could not believe that I actually made pasta myself. Seeing the machine just got me so excited. Like, this was such a fun part, and seriously, it was so good.
ये क्या रेडी? स्पैगेटी रेडी. लेकिन जैसे मशीन से बाहर आती है इसको यहाँ पे डस्ट जरूर करना है. अब ये है फेटोचीनी.
So you see, first the chef taught us and then we made it ourselves. This is me making my very own spaghetti. Oh my god, you have to try this. whatever you cook in the Masterclass Kitchen Studio, you are allowed to take it home with you. So I think that was also really nice because I got to enjoy all of this yummy food later on as well. And all in all, it was a fun day for me. I would love to go back. And that's all I have for today's video. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.